Hi, good morning. Today we are discussing about electron configuration. It is very important topic. It is related to that structure of atom, chemical bond and classification of periodic table. So here, how can we write electron configuration? So once see here, we know this 1 to 30 elements. So here I have to prepare one formula, that is BC Na4. So who's that for? BC Na4. And the second formula is Namalsi PS Clark. Namalsi PS Clark. It is second formula. Next, third formula Scatti-Wickraman Feconic. Scatti-Wickraman Feconic. Wickraman Feconic. So here BC Na4, Namalsi PS Clark, Scatti-Wickraman Feconic. So it is three formulas: BC Na4, Namalsi PS Clark, Scatti-Wickraman Feconic. So here first one is electron configuration of first element. So that is hydrogen and helium, next lithium, next fourth one beryllium, fifth one boron, sixth one carbon, seventh one nitrogen, eighth one oxygen, ninth one fluorine, 10th one neon. And next one is 11th sodium, 12th one magnesium, and 13th aluminium, and 14th silicon, and 15th phosphorus, 16th sulfur, 17th chlorine, 18th argon, 19th potassium, 20th calcium. Next one is 21 scandium, 22 titanium, 23 vanadium, 24 chromium, 25 manganese, 26 ferrous, 27 cobalt, next 28 nickel, 29 copper, 30 zinc. So it is 30 elements of how can we write a electron configuration by using Maillard diagram. So one see here, it is 1s1. So atomic number is 1. So 1s1. Next one is 1s2. Next one is 1s1, 1s2, 2s1. 1s2, 2s1. See here, it is atomic number of lithium 3. Powers 1, see here, 1s2 and 2s1. And next one is 1s2, 2s2. So sum of the powers 4, it is equal to the atomic number of beryllium. Next 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Next, so here 2p1. Next 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So sum of these power it will gives equal to the atomic number of 6. So here 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. And one more thing here, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. And see here, it is a sum of the powers 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 1, 11. So another one is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. So it is equal to that 13 electron configuration of aluminium. So 10 plus 13. Next 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. Next one is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. So here the number of how many number of s orbits? Only one. So maximum electrons 2. So it is a 2 maximum electron. How many number of orbit? Orbits are 1. Orbit 1. Number of electrons 2. So number of sp orbits 3. Number of p orbits 3. But number of electrons of p orbit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And number of d orbits 5. So number of maximum electrons in d orbits 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next F 7. The number of maximum electrons 14 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here according to we are writing S maximum number of electrons 2, P maximum number of electrons 6, D maximum number of electrons 10. But how many orbits of S orbit? Only 1. And how many number of p orbits? 3. And the number of maximum electron 6. How many number of d orbits? 5. Maximum number of electrons 10. So here according to 3p3, next to 3p4, next to 3p5, next to 3p6. 3p6. So here, so it is chlorine. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. So another one, chlorine, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So argon, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. And potassium. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. Next calcium, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. So here and S4s orbit we have completed. According to Euler diagram, it is one order, that is 1s, next one 2s, next to 2p, next to 3s, next to 3p, next to 3s, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, next to 3d. So until that 30 elements we required 3d orbits. So here same scandium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 4s2, 3d1. Here, next 22 atomic number 3d2. So same similarly as well as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d2. Next one is 3d3. Next one is 3d4. So here, so in this 1 to 30 elements, it is the special property of chromium and copper. So what is the property? So here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d5. Because of the one electron is shifted to the next orbit. So that is 3d orbits. So according to here, we have applied to that Kund rule, half-filling rule. So how many number of maximum d orbits? 10 electrons. But here, if you find electron, it is half-filling rule. At the same time, copper also. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d10. Because actually 4s2, 3d9. So here the one electron is shifted to the next orbit, 3d orbits. That is chromium and copper. So here d maximum number of electrons 10. So when we have 10 electron, it will be gain high stability of copper element. So that's why here one electron is shifted to the next orbit of 3d10. So remaining similarly as well as it is a 3d6, it is a 3d7, it is a 3d8. So here 4s1, 3d, 5, here 6, here 7, here 8. So here 9 is the electron is 10 shifted. So last one is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. So one see here s orbits only one, maximum electrons 2, p orbits 3, maximum electrons 6, d orbits 5, maximum electrons 10. And according to we have to follow the Euler diagram 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. So after completion of 1s next 2s. After filling of 2s, next 2p, next 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, like this one. So once see here, it is the special property of electron configuration chromium and copper. The electron is half-filling rule and full-filling rule. So here one electron is shifted to that next orbit. So then it can give that half-filling rule, and here copper full-filling rule. So according to we are applied to the Kundula, so it is a half-filling and full-filling rule. So thank you.